Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So because I already have some sand left, the soil mix from my previous repotting, I thought I will repot these guys as well. You might have seen I have recently done a watering and now the soil is completely dry, so it's time to take them out from the pot. So now that I will be repotting them, all this while they have been in coco peat because they were small pups, but now that they have reached a decent size, I will be repotting them and giving them the regular soil mix which we use for our adult succulents, which is a mix of sand and garden soil, filtered garden soil. I already have a small little papercrete pot which is going to work out really well. We do not want to use a very huge pot because these are still very small little pups. So this pot is going to be more than enough. And always remember guys, this process has to be done when everything is very dry. The previous soil mix is also very dry and the soil mix that I have prepared is also completely bone dry. So now we will take out the pup very carefully. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. One or two leaves might fall because they are very fragile. We'll try to clean off as much as possible from the root area, but we do not want to cut or break any of the roots. We're going to leave it. So this is the root area. Please do not use water to wash. If there is a little bit of coco peat left on the roots, it's absolutely okay. You do not need to be worried. Now another important thing that I wanted to show you guys over here, I have to be extremely careful because the leaves are very fragile. They can easily break off. Now this is what I wanted to show you guys. You can see this is one stem. This was the one mother leaf that has given me 3 pups, and they have only one stem area. Please do not cut the stem if you have a situation like this. Please do not do any stem cutting. Leave them as it is. These are a little bit stretched, as you can see, a little bit stretched. Please do not do a stem cutting for such a small pup. It will not do quite well. The pup will start to rot. So please be extremely careful. And let me fill up the soil first. I have already put a stone in the drain hole and we will fill it halfway through. That's about it. A little bit more. And now we will just very gently and carefully put the pup into the soil. Don't push the roots, just put the soil over it. Do not apply any pressure to the pup or to the roots, otherwise they will break. So you have to be extremely careful. So we are done with the first one. We are going to be treating them like adults. And now we will go with the next one. Again, be very gentle, very carefully try to move them out. Any which ways, this is coco peat, so it's not going to be very stiff. It is not going to be very difficult to take out the pups. It's going to be very easy. Little bit cleaning can be done, but be extremely careful that you do not break the roots. Move it. We will move the soil, put another one, cover it up with some more of the soil. So I will do this for all of them. It's going to be the same process of taking them out from the soil. Now if you're doing this for the first time, you might happen to break 1 or 2 leaves. It is absolutely okay, don't be worried, but try to be as gentle as possible. So we will do it for the other one as well. So guys, as you can see, we have repotted all of those pups in the regular soil mix which we tend to use for adult succulents. So that's how it's supposed to be done. Do not use coco peat anymore. All this while they were very small little pups, but now they will be treated like adults. So it's going to be the regular soil mix which we use for our adult succulents. We won't be watering it at least for a week or so. And talking about the light, the entire pot is going to be kept in indirect bright light. We will not be exposing it to direct sunlight. If we expose this pot to direct sunlight, the pups will get dehydrated or they might even get burnt. So ensure that you're keeping them in indirect bright light. Light is the most important thing. If you're going to give less light, the pups will start to stretch. So ensure that there is a good amount of indirect bright light for at least 8 to 9 hours in order for them to stay compact. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.